One thing is really building them up, empowering them. Yate, my name is Marlene Valentine. I work with the Navajo Nation Special Diabetes Program. I work as a health educator, and this is the Garden to Table cooking series. It is important to eat healthy foods because it will help to prevent diabetes. It will provide your body with the nutrients and minerals that your body needs. Today we will be making cranberry walnut coleslaw. Okay, now we're going to add the liquid ingredients. The first thing we will put in our mixing bowl is 1/3 cup of cider vinegar. I've already washed, pre-cut, and pre-measured the ingredients. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of canola oil. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, one tablespoon, which I have pre-measured, 1 tablespoon of celery seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we will whisk all of this together. The rest of the ingredients we will put in is 1 pound of shredded or thinly cut up cabbage. So we'll put this in here. Put the bowl out of sight. Mix it up a little bit. 3 medium carrots that has been grated. I'm going to put that in. Put that to the side. Mix it up. And 1 cup of chopped up walnut. It will go in next. So that will provide us with the protein. And finally, our last ingredient to go in is 1 cup of dried cranberries. It is looking very colorful. We have just finished making the cranberry walnut coleslaw here at the Tsebinjisgue Community Center, and this is part of our Garden to Table cooking series and DM awareness sessions. We're here on Thursdays, and this is an excellent way to prevent chronic diseases such as heart attacks, strokes, diabetes, to eat healthy foods such as this. I hope you make it and you enjoy it.